Okusiba minto na kole video yendega. Ngovote y'abantu nga gika 2027. Ama ni chipesa igatobe very careful. Ndo salige sakugetu kya gusi igoro yobogambi. Bona ligere liga. Nomugambi ochete. Chiribu abwate chiribu ne chiribu. Ako abantu bangire ina muba bangi buna murabe kiro mudonyo oralibu. Cha elibu. Kakuru gabu ogenda se boda bale stage bakuri kichipese cyabo. Obaka kiro muntu pa elibu. Ntoma tenga abangwana bako kuchibesa kana batabe mbakire William Ruto chikura. Lakini mbarone inde barake William Ruto chikura. Kose kero kindi chibesa na chiragere omochumbe ogochoru abano yobate chibesa. Ekiongozi ke gochoru na bange someti na bange bwati kende gionzi kirakorera bantu. Solonga cyabate chibesa ebe ne chobo ibi ozini chenyorete bia agiru chikura abwe aswekero. Ndabi mbugambi kitu kutwara gusi yeto. Ndabi ngaitoro chibuna bagusi kera toko twara abantu bunaba. Umuntu abate chibesa mugasigura kwane ntete kumanya. Tatake tikomanya. Ndete mwebori bunaba gusi chibesa singa chikoro. Where is this money coming from? Echine chibesa chicho ino chibento kwa tamagendero chabe kukando nchira gete cheibuga mwachire ko yarale. Mwago kanga kai. Abasubati baito kabirnyoro. Ego chibese cho kadi. Abasaye. Ego chibese cho kadi morwa na segi moje njibirangeli bintu byo wakachikura. Abagaka boyigo. Ekiongozi kia terasime gitwali chibesa. Nabo muntu akoba tabwati besa lakini akora bana inja magendera. Bagaka babongeli abamba cho tusinge ndo chibesa nyingi. Apana. Ende bakorete gasingi sana. Tetuko bati abagusinga nto base gusali bugambe bwito. Kusiya twalire siasa yeligo limono. Ngomuntu kubuli bugambi ogwaka chipa sabu pakuli na 100 million maonyoro bugambi bobo chumbe kawaida. Iyo talibia. Kera nyari kanenga ebyongozi bine byake ruchukura. 2027. Bera niro etebe bake ruchukura babira bagambi nende myake dojetana. Ibintu mbiro tuchukwetera. Lakini tembaro kese video lakini ndara kora boyigo irachinga kichi yago subscribe like and comment yakonere ching charachuka ora konye mu kwa times ndara gendra nimba mu kwa times productions ene yo kubata matanga live montorao isize isiko sesa utali matanga abuna bako follow ngikega saini oso oyo bwate moyego abune nyangi na utoko cover oyo bwate amangana buna birthday go simo yogondo bwensi yoga netichibicha ngakiresi migeiga tokonyana onya bagambya bongo so abali siasa. Egento tubantu expect ketangani no development. Evinto byo kurobike mwangaino akanta akasukura kama kagachwa kama go saturate chibi chero kikirase mwakanga chisukuru chagachiro. Chibesa chindoka cha mubuko takwa gacha yende. Mwate banga kai okolregasi. Akanta kamo kale kokoro no ikomi okore akamo. Ekera chibesa chirtisa ogacha wachikuba. Ekera mumera ni bugambi. Igo nto expect development. Asa manaji nyagitali mo expect nyagitali chagacho. Mo expect maliogo. Mo expect bantu barwali. Mo expect bantu bakwe chinyagitali ke bakonyora abana. Mo expect bantu bakwe. Amuna tonyora nyagitali mbali kwa kanu besa. Alafu mako ndo nyagitali akokonya. Kaya kurusone chinguru akokonya nande kwa kanu mushahara agere guru boy. Ebina biko chikoba. Keremo ko chole byongozi babo baro kichibesa choka. Ubo ibi kurwaso bonde kuchiwa so yonde. Pyoka. Amasama somo. Skuru njiko agachwa. Kotesa kamulega sukuru njiko agachwa. Umwana akogenda muragenda chisukuru cha kusiga. Umwana akubuka maambi ogenda sukuru nchara. Oyikone ndira na kanchara. Ora yonda igotetu gosino mugati yakoli. Era matakomera. Nenda gara sukuru nchijo. Chicho abana bakogenda chicho cy'abantu abane. Mwana atachitenze cyo enchavu ndotezo tokumanya. Lakini chibesa njiro chiko bakapare cyo. Chiabaga abantu bagweli. Chipare chimokoleraga mo expect chagacho. Chibesa chiko chokwa gache para 5 kilometers 20 kilometers yagachu bere chibesinde chagachu kwama otebu chibesinde chagachu pale ejine chagachu macha kwa bweli abana baino chipigipigi chino chigosarika chikali chikukwama abantu emechi yabo butakabuka chibesa chigure chinguru mo expect viongozi bia mo expect bibako abaivi abantu batachiti sukuru bashiko bara mundu tameti mana ya masomo achikora umwana ngagende sukuru akwa agachire sukuru asome nchera kie sukuru kie bitabu kie bikwa turi sukuru mbiyo to expect aba hivi simbiri bako ibe chivese kwibe kukagera chiko bamo bachone ndebere no bugambe mogochora bagambe buna abo bachivese to expect ndo twara bomo buna bagusi akagero mundu chivese chikumura abo munu bwago mundu kachivese nabako choru gabo mo bamo guzimba ko konya kende yonse wano mo expect yo mo botu kagere tinga tuchi utwara after 2027 mboijo akabantu chivese bakwere chibugambe kiro mundu kaba chivese ara abantu baya bamo echikura abo munu bwaki obutaka paka boichole gusi enjere mo wikaga amonyora abantu babatu butaka bawosaberera na ukiye aba yongozi bakoko kobwato muchando utanyarwa kana school fees kwarangire muchango umwana siyaso cyo kurwe kiri busano ikina kibaganeti ekera barukanenga na bukinya sai cyago yakogera kibase kiri kibabwata nalimo ko bachora njira teyo turagenda ari n'abagusi tutole byongozi binebyo abangina abagaka n'abasaye muri binyoro twakichisabu chingia jabade chibese nukale lakini asetebe chorona n'umuntu mutaka pi soronga cyabate semi n'umuntu rakonya magendero mushiko banke abantu bati chibese bantu bagenda kigali amagali amanega inuma menye to butakaime turu butakaime twenzi n'abagusi.
Welcome to Humphreys Hill House. Humphreys is a boutique hotel located on Kionganyo Hill in Kisii town. We are just 2 kilometers off Kisii CBD. And the hill itself, Kionganyo, is culturally significant among Abagusi people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Kisii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Kisii culture. So right from the gate as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our rooms has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Gusii homestead, the authentic Gusii homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. Then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where again, performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen. As we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphreys, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Gusii culture. Thank you very much.